Michelle and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video guys, as you can see in our title, ayun yung gagawin natin ngayon, which is very simple. Ayan. So very simple siya. So, papansin nyo, nandito lang ako sa bahay ngayon at ngayon ay Sabado. At wala naman akong ibang naisip na gawin. So, ito na lang din, which is very simple, affordable, and yummy. Ayan. Yummy. Ayan. So, dito din sa video to, while I'm do my cooking, magkakaroon tayo ng challenge, which is, I will also speak in English all the time until I finish my cooking. Ayun. So, isa-challenge natin sa sarili natin. Ito ay mahirap na challenge para sa akin kasi I'm not that, Bisera. Bisaya tayo mga besh, kaya yun. So, ngayon, umumpisahan natin yung video. Ayun, nahiya pa rin ako. Ayan. So, the video or the cooking or the English challenge begin in 3, 2, 1. Hi there! This is Michelle and welcome to my cooking show. It's Mitch do the cooking. So let's proceed. I have here the ingredients. This one, as you can see, I have here the chopped garlic. Also, I will be using crispy fry spicy. And of course, the main ingredients of this is the chicken wings. And for the sauce, I will be putting this one. This one is a sweet chili sauce. Also the soy sauce, ketchup, and also we have here the brown sugar. Yeah, we have the brown sugar. And because I don't have butter, I will be using star margarine. Star margarine, and of course, I will be making a super spicy hot chicken wings. So I'll be putting this one, the hot sauce. I am very shy at the moment, so let's proceed this cooking. So the first thing is I have here the big plate and I will put in here the chicken wings. I already marinated fry for our coating because this is the easiest way to put in our chicken. Yeah. So the next step after we're going to transfer our chicken here. And we're going to coat it with our breading mix, which is the crispy fry spicy breading mix. I already transfer all our chicken wings here in our plate with our crispy fry breading mix. So let's coat it. Oh, there you go. I already coat it with our crispy fry breading mix. Yeah, this one is so good. When you love spicy, you can add this. Yeah, this one is so spicy. If you love spicy. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to heat our pan. I'm using the electric stove here. A lot of oil. Yeah, there you go. I changed my location because my pan, he can't handle the heat. So I need to transfer here in the kitchen. So that's all. So I'm going to heat first the oil. This is really hard. So let's check if our oil is ready. Oh, I think a little bit of hotness. Hotness. Okay, so let's start our frying. Let's fry all the chicken wings. Smells so good. It really smells so good. So let's wait out our chicken wings to fry, and then I'll get back to you, okay? Hello. So now that I'm done frying all our chicken wings, it's here. Let it drain so that the oil won't stay in our chicken, and it's really good. Okay. So now we're going to cook our sauce. That will be our the first sauce that we're going to make is the spicy one. The spicy one. So in the video that I watched in YouTube, it says there that three of soy sauce, then 4 spoons of brown sugar. I'm going to mix it until it's thickened, and then I'm going to put our chicken wings. Hi there! So now I finally finished cooking our chicken. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it in here so that it will like cozy. Just feel like cozy. That I'm gonna make 2 different kind of sauce or chicken flavor, but sad to say I just make one. Here it is, guys. It looks good. This one is spicy, just spicy. Hi guys, so finally I'm done cooking our chicken wings. Chicken wings. And now we're going to have a review from our friend here in the house. Ano yung ating chicken wings. So, tapos na naman ako magluto, so wala na yung challenge, di ba? Sarap ng play. Tikisman na po nila eh. Kaya po sila.
Lumpia.
Kanin muna. Tapos kami magluluto. Ngayon po ay titikman na natin kung ano nga ba ang husga ng dalawang husgado. Husgado.
Ano na?
Experiment lang yan eh.
Ano siya?
Char.
Ang tawag nito kay? Char.
Chorty.
Ay, sir.
Mukhang ano naman siya.
Magkakaroon ka.
Mukhang chicken naman siya. Mukhang chicken wings. Mukhang chicken wings. Ang lasa.
Oh,
Manghang.
hindi lang.
Positive.
Positive.
Tag yung franchise. Ang harap.
Harap daw, sabi nila. Ito natin. Dalawa dapat kasi yung gagawin ko. Yung isa yung ano ba yun, yung sweet lang. Gamitin ko yun, yung ano, yung sweet chili sauce.
Naramdaman ko na yung anghang, pero sakto lang.
Ikaw nung kagat walang anghang. Akin.
Pwede na ito pang market.
Saka ang gamit ko, ang ginamit ko dito, ano? Crispy fry na manghang.
Air fry mo siya.
Ha?
Hindi prinito.
Pinito ko lang.
Harap.
Kasi pag ginaya mo yung, ba yun, mga powder, mga damit na nilalagay pa dun sa ano.
Pwede ng unliving stuff.
Magbebenta na kami ng
No, pero
tatlo isang daan.
hindi na damit.
Tatlo isang daan. Ayun, masarap na. Nagkwento naman kayo.
Ba't sinend mo doon sa barangay eh?
Wala. Maingit ng mga yun.
Chicken wings, chicken wings. Walang pakpak din ang binili ng lupa.
Sino pinagbili niya? Kaya ko ikaw lumabas na kami na.
Kapon pa yung binili ng Mickey. Ngayon ko ulit.
Pag-iingay na magdamag ng ulit. Plato.
Ayan. Okay naman yung review guys. Kain na po kami. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you like this video and please do subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you guys for watching and ulit. Ano tawag dito? Kita-kita po tayo ulit sa ating next na pagluluto. Bye!
Cooking show.
Ayan ako na.